Let us today study what is Pythagoras theorem. Now, in many previous standards, you have studied what is Pythagoras theorem. Do anybody of you know? Now let us see what is this theorem. Suppose we have one triangle and this triangle is PQ and this triangle is right angle triangle because angle R is of 90 degrees. Now we say in this case as PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. That means in any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Here PQ is the hypotenuse and remaining two sides are PR and QR. So this is our Pythagoras theorem. Now suppose PQ is equal to A, PR is equal to B and QR is equal to C. Then we can write the same thing as A square is equal to B square plus C square. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Let us today study what is a Pythagorean triplet. Yes, Pythagorean triplet. Now all of you know what is a triplet. What is triplet? Triplet is a set. Set of how many numbers? Yes, 3 numbers. So let us take 3 numbers. 3, 4 and 5. Now among these 3 numbers, which is the largest number? Yes, 5 is the largest number. And that we can say according to the triplet that square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining 2 numbers. Let us see. That means 5th square is equal to square of 3 plus square of 4. That means 25 is equal to 9 plus 16. That means 25 is equal to 25. The rule is obeyed. So, the set of these 3 numbers 3, 4, 5 can be a Pythagoras triplet or it is the Pythagoras triplet. Let us take another example. Let us take example of numbers 5, 12 and 30. Now see, this is a triplet because there are 3 numbers. But we had to prove that whether this is Pythagorean triplet or not. So which is the largest number? Yes, largest number is 13. So square of 13 plus square of 5 plus square of 12. 13 square is 169. Yes, what is the square of 5? Yes, 25. And what is the square of 12? Yes, it is also 144. So 169 is equal to 169. That means these 3 numbers obey the rule of Pythagorean triplet. This is Pythagorean triplet. Now today let us find out what is formula to find out Pythagorean triplet. Yes, formula for Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Now by using this formula, you can find out any set of 3 numbers which we can call as Pythagorean triplet. Now let us see how to do this. In this, there is only one condition. The 2 numbers should be natural numbers. That means suppose A and B are 2 numbers. Let A and B always belongs to set of natural numbers. And A should always be greater than B. Now let us take one example. We have to find 3 terms here. First term is A square plus B square. Second term is A square minus B square. And the third term is 2AB. Now for example, let us take 2 numbers 11 and 9. These 2 are natural numbers, and obviously 11 is greater than 9. That means our A is 11 and B is 9. So what are the 3 terms we will get? A square plus B square is equal to 11 square plus 9 square, that is equal to 202. A square minus B square means 11 square minus 9 square, that is equal to 40. And third term is 2AB. That means 2 into 11 and 9. So that will be equal to 198. So according to the formula, our triplet is 202, 40 and 198. That means if they obey this triplet formula rule, then square of 202 is equal to square of 40 plus square of 198. Let us see whether they are obeying this rule or not. So A plus A square plus B square is equal to A square, this is bracket square, A square minus B square bracket square plus 2AB bracket square. Now A square plus B square is 202 bracket square. A square minus B square is 40 bracket square plus 2AB is 198 bracket square. So 202 bracket square is 40804. That is equal to 40 square is 1600 plus 198 square is 39204. That means 40804 is equal to 40804. So these 3 numbers are Pythagorean triplet, 202, 40 and 198.